Oh, I'm Santiago.
And I'm Deborah.
We are here in Hudson Valley, New York.
Goodbye.
That's sad, isn't it?
It is sad.
Oh, what is the sensory experience of when I have here?
We stole half the bathroom for the elevator shaft. There you go.
What are they going to do with that window treatment?
Drapes.
This type of floor is herringbone to the next room, which is going to be this material. Go, girl.
Green gorgeous tile.
Love this green. I just had an ice cream. And look at me complaining about weight. So like this very European traditional.
This, and this.
Meaning that we want it just surrounded by plants and nature. So respectful of the wildlife and the existing trees here. He's so into recycling.
This one is the most important of all the colors.
Yep, it's the veins of the house.
Decided we like this because it's kind of picking up the purple family.
Wow, exciting. Tell me, what is it?
Never.
Wow.